Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install noise suppression for voice in Kdenlive. By default, Kdenlive didn't support noise suppression, so we will have to install it in Debian version. In Linux, I'm using Ubuntu. Let's show first download this or clone this repository. I am gonna download this. Okay, let's download. It's downloading. Once finished, yeah, it's finished. Okay, let's go to the download and extract it here. Okay, and we are going to open it in terminal. Okay, after open in terminal, yeah, I have a command line. First, you have to install some application which is needed for to build the noise suppression. Okay, I am copy this, just close this one and paste it here in the terminal. Type your password. Okay, I have already installed this version earlier. You have to install this. Okay, I am using Ubuntu 20.04. Okay, to install this we have to build this application. Okay, I will close this my browser because sometimes take too much CPU and RAM. Okay, it's building. Let's wait some time to build. In the meantime, I am let's showing you this. There is you can see here is no noise suppression in this effect. After install, we will get this. You can see if your build is success, then you will see that here is one build file. Okay, and now run this command to build the dot file. You can see how much process it's used. See my computer, 16 GB RAM, it's taking almost 10. Okay, you can see it's the build is success. Okay, now let's try this command. If you go to this directory, then you will see this file. Okay, let's go here. Okay, you can see we just build this one. Now go back. Now we are in the root folder. Just copy this command and paste it here. Okay, if you paste, then it will be go there. We go here, ls, then we can see this file. Okay, what's the name? Let's find it. Lib. Yeah, this one. We have this one. Okay, after this done, we have to close our term OD and restart again. let me add a file and clip. Yeah, I have a video. First see its welcome back to my channel. You can see some background noise. Today here I'm gonna show you. Let's see. NOI. Yeah, you can see this is okay. In next video I will show you how to remove noise from the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel to get more update. Thank you.